Yo guys, hello, this is Incognite Samples, and today we have a long-awaited review of the new template, JOYRYDE and SELECTA. So guys, if this video becomes popular, we will definitely continue to make videos about popular bass house producers. Let's get started. So you can see kick, clap and top. It's very similar to the original. And what else? I added a sidechain to the top drums for good pressure. Let's compare. You can hear that with sidechain pumping is better. For this effect from the old school, you need to straight the sample extremely. Then you see two types of delay. Nothing special. Okay guys, if we talk about the synthesis of each sound now, the video will last about 1 hour, so what I think about it? I will show you very briefly how this works, and also don't forget that you can download all presets and samples from this video for free. Go ahead. So you can see wave basic WRD, then envelope 2 need to send to window pitch and modulate it. LFO send to filter, low pass 24 decibels, and enable distortion. Okay, you can see basic MTB, free voice, detune, blend. Next, second LFO need to send to pitch and modulate it. The filter is open and there is a lot of gain, drive and fade. And the second preset, all the same, only here a little different melody. I think you understand the point. Saturn gives fat to our riz, and it sounds really cool. Then EQ and small stereo reduction. And sorry guys, I almost forgot about the little one. Layers such as bass attack, bass shots and FM without sound processing. They are processed in the main group. The compressor puts a lot of pressure on the sounds to stick it together. You can also see a bit of parallel compression. Then there is Saturn, EQ and double sidechain. On the master channel, the compressor, which doesn't not work much, and the maximizer. These plugins don't affect the sound. The main influence is your mixing and the quality of your instruments. Okay guys, let's wrap it up. Thank you for watching this video, I hope it was useful for you, and I remind you that all presets and samples from this video you can download for free from our website. Good luck!